Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can sell cryptocurrencies on Telegram Wallet P2P Market. P2P simply means peer-to-peer. Telegram Wallet P2P provides a secure and convenient platform for buying and selling digital assets. With P2P Market on the Telegram Wallet, you can be able to sell any type of cryptocurrencies at all. Example, USDT, Ethereum, Ton, BTC, Hamster Combat, Dogecoin, any kind of cryptocurrency at all. You can be able to sell them and receive your money directly into your bank account. So guys, in this video I'll walk you through the process of selling crypto on Telegram Wallet P2P Market, covering setup, listing, pricing and completing transactions. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to open your Telegram app. As you can see, I'm on my Telegram app. So what I have to do now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on the second option, which is written wallet. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see we have so many options there. The one you have to go for is the one on the right hand side. You can see where it is written P2P Market. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, P2P Market, exchange assets directly with other users. So guys, now you can see you can actually buy and sell, but the one you have to go for is the one on the right hand side, which is written sell, because I want to show you guys how you can actually sell cryptocurrencies. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it right away. Let me tap on sell. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to sell your cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, right here, these are buyers. These are people that actually want to buy your cryptocurrency from you. You can see they're actually called buyers or advertisers or merchants. You can see them. These are the people that want to buy your cryptocurrency from you. So guys, the two most important things you need to do here is for you to find buyers that you're eligible to buy from, and secondly, for you to find buyers that are verified. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. You can see that features there at the top. You can see that in circle area. Those are the features that you can use to actually filter out this buyer, so that you can be able to get those that are verified and that can be able to sell crypto to. One thing also you have to know is that you can't actually do business with all of these buyers right here. There are criteria that you must meet for you to be able to do business with any buyer. So guys, let me use this first buyer as an example. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. The name of the buyer is Fluffy Squid. So guys, now you can see that the limit of this buyer is from 150,000 to about 6 million naira. So if you want to sell your cryptocurrency and it is not up to 150,000, you cannot be able to do business with this buyer right here. That's what it means. So for you to be able to do business with this buyer, you must have cryptocurrencies that is worth 150,000. The worth of the cryptocurrency that you want to sell must be up to 150,000 before you can be able to do business with this buyer. Let's say for instance, you want to sell your USDT and the worth of the USDT is 10,000 naira. If you want to do business with this buyer, it will not work because the limit of this buyer is from 150,000 and above. So if you bring business that is worth 10,000 or maybe 20,000 or 100,000 or even 140,000, it's not going to work unless it is 150,000 and above. So guys, that's what I need guys to get. And also guys, if you look closely, you're going to see that this buyer has payment methods, and this payment method are what the buyer is going to use to pay your money into your bank account. You can see the payment methods right there: cheaper cash, bank transfer, PalmPay, Huda Bank and OPay. So these are the payment methods this buyer can be able to use to send your money to you. So in case you don't have any of these payment methods, you don't need to bother yourself doing business with this buyer. So guys, now these are the things that you need to know, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to get trusted, verified and eligible buyers that you can do business with. So guys, like I said, you can see those features at the top. Those are the features that you can use to get verified and trusted buyers. So guys, now you can see the first feature. It is written method. This is where you need to choose the payment method that you want the buyer to actually pay you with. You can actually choose bank transfer, or you can choose any specific bank that you want the buyer to actually pay you with. Bank transfers covers for all commercial banks. So any type of commercial bank that you're using, you can actually choose bank transfer and the payment, and the buyer will be able to make the payment to your bank. So guys, let me select bank transfer, then let me tap on done down there. So guys, now you can see bank transfer has been selected. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now let's go over to the second feature. You can see what's written there under the second feature. It is written verification. So guys, this is where we're going to be able to choose verified and trusted buyers. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see we have three boxes right here. The one you have to go for is trusted merchant, which is the first box. Trusted merchant is a user that has proven his credibility and provided national ID card. So guys, once you select it, you tap on done down there. So guys, do well to select trusted merchant, because trusted merchant are those who have actually identified themselves using their national ID card, and also those who have actually done business here successfully without any problem. So guys, now let me go ahead now to select it. Let me tap on done. So guys, now you can see trusted has been selected. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now let's go over to the next feature. You can see the next feature there. What is written there is currency. You can see there you have to choose your local currency, because that's the means you're going to be getting your money into your bank account. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. That's where you're going to be able to choose your local currency. So guys, let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see these are the list of different currencies of different countries. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose your own country currencies. So guys, now let me go ahead now to choose my country currency. You can see there NGN, which is the Nigerian Naira. So let me go ahead now to select it. So guys, now you can see the Nigerian Naira has been selected. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it, NGN. So guys, now let me go over to the next feature, which is written crypto. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. That's where you have to choose the type of crypto that you want to sell. Remember, we have different type of cryptocurrencies. We have Hamster Combat, Dogs, USDT, Ethereum, BTC. So you have to select the one that you want to sell. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on crypto. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the list of cryptocurrencies that are available. So what you have to do now is to choose the one that you want. So let me choose USDT, which is the first one. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see USDT has been selected. So guys, now you can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now let's go over to the next feature, which is written amount. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. This is where you have to actually type in the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell, the worth of the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. You have to type it right there, because this is the way you can actually get buyers that want to do business with you at your level, at the level of cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Let's say for instance you want to sell 7,000 Naira worth of USDT. What you have to do is to type in 7,000. Once you type in 7,000, then buyers you're going to be able to do business at the level of 7,000 will appear here in your screen. So guys, that's how it works. So guys, what I will do now is to type in 7,000. You're going to see that immediately I type in 7,000, these buyers right here will be filtered to those buyers that can be able to do business with me at the level of 7,000. So let me type it real quick. So guys, now you can see that the buyers has been filtered already. You can see now these buyers I can be able to do business with them at the level of 7,000. You can see their limits right there. You can see this first buyer. You can see the limit of this first buyer. The limit is from 3,000 Naira to 655,000 Naira. So guys, now you can see I can be able to do business with this person because 7,000 falls within the limit. You can see the second buyer right there. You can see the limit of this buyer is from 5,000 to about 6 million Naira. So 7,000 falls within this limit. So I can be able to also do business with this buyer. So guys, now this I can actually filter these buyers to get verified and also buyers that I can be able to do business with. So guys, now after you're done doing all of this, after you're done filtering the buyers, the next step you have to take now is to check out the price that these buyers are actually getting your cryptocurrency for. So guys, now you can see that there are actually different prices, though the price range are not that much. The difference in the price are not that much, but it's actually advisable to go for the buyer with a higher price. That way you'll be able to get more profit for the crypto you're going to be selling to the buyers. You can see the price that this buyer is going to be giving you for 1 USDT that you said to him. You can see the price there. The price is 1,504 Naira. Let's go over to the next buyer. You can see that the price this buyer is going to be giving you for 1 USDT that you're going to say to him is 1,500 Naira. So guys, now you can see the prices, the differences are not actually much. So guys, now after you're done checking out the prices and you've selected one out of it, what you have to do right away now is actually to sell the cryptocurrency that you have. And for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written sell. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Once you tap on sell, then you go ahead to actually sell your cryptocurrency. So guys, let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to sell your cryptocurrency, your USDT. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to impute the amount of USDT that you want to sell. So guys, let me go ahead now to describe all that you can see here. So guys, now you can see my available balance. That means I have 4.3 USDT in my Telegram wallet, so I can be able to sell 4.3 USDT right now. And also you can see my payment method right there. You can see I've already added my payment method, which is bank transfer. I've already linked my bank account to my Telegram wallet, so in case you've not actually done that, you don't have to bother about that. I've already made a dedicated video on how you can actually link your bank account to your Telegram wallet. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the video link there that will teach you how you can actually link your bank bank account to your Telegram wallet, tap on it, they'll be able to watch and learn how you can do that. And also guys, you can see that the limit of this buyer is stated there. You can see the limit is from 3.32 USDT and above. So if you want to say USDT that is less than 3.32, it's not going to work. So it's from 3.32 and above. So guys, now if you impute 3 USDT here, the transaction is it's not going to work. So you have to impute something above 3.32. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see add details. Let me tap on it right away. Let's get to see more details. So guys, now you can see more details right there. You can see the price per 1 USDT. You can see the available USDT that the buyer has. You can see the limit from 5,000 naira and above. You can see the payment timeout. You can see the buyer's name and the trade start. You can see that the buyer has done over 5,000 trades. The buyer has actually completed over 5,553 trades. I can see 100%. That means people are actually saying good things about this buyer. So guys, let me go back now right away. Let me tap back. So guys, what you have to do right away now is actually to impute the amount of USDT. So let me go ahead now let me just type in 4. So guys, now you can see I typed in 4, so I can actually sell 4 USDT. But what I want to do is to sell all of the USDT that I have in my account. So let me go ahead now to tap on where it is written sell all. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now you can see the total amount of USDT that I have in my Telegram wallet is now appearing there, it's now reflecting there. So guys, now after you're done doing this now, the next step now is actually to choose your payment method. Like I said, I've already added my payment method, which is my bank account through bank transfer. So let me go ahead now to select it. So once I've selected it, what I have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on it right away. Then let me tap on the bank account I've already linked to my Telegram wallet. So let me select it as my payment method. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've succeeded in imputing the amount of USDT I want to sell, and also I've chosen my payment method, which is my bank transfer. You can see it right there. So what I have to do now is actually to tap on continue. You can see down there. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, so guys, now you can see what's written there, creating order. Buyer must confirm the order within 10 minutes after its creation. So guys, you can see the service fee, which is 0.039158 USDT, which is actually small. You can see more details. Let me get to scroll downwards to show you guys more details about this order that we're about to create. So let me scroll upwards. So guys, now you can see the amount that we're going to be receiving is 6,544 naira. We're going to be receiving that into our bank account. You can see the price for 1 USDT. You can see it there. You can see the payment method. And you can see the limit time, which is 1 hour. So in 1 hour, I should be able to receive my money into my bank account. So guys, after you're done reading all through this, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see create order. You can see it down there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here. You're about to place an order. Placing orders without completing them will impact your rating and ability to use the P2P market. So guys, make sure you actually want to do this business before you go ahead to tap on confirm order. So guys, let me tap on confirm order right away since I want to do the business. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see now we've created the order. Let me get to scroll upwards. So guys, now you can see what's written there, waiting for buyer confirmation. Expect to receive the order confirmation from the buyer. So guys, what we have to do now is to actually wait patiently for this buyer to confirm this order we've just created. You can see what's written there, waiting for the buyer within 9 minutes 54 seconds. You can see the countdown time is reading. So in a few seconds now, the buyer will be able to confirm this order. So let's just wait. So guys, now you can see the buyer has confirmed the order. You can now see what is written there, waiting for the payment. Buyer must send 6,544 naira within 1 hour. You can see what's written there, waiting for the buyer within 59 minutes 42 seconds. You can see the countdown time is actually reading. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it, is reading. So what they have to do now is to wait within 59 minutes 33 seconds. We'll be able to receive the money into our bank account. So guys, there's something you have to know. We must first of all receive the money into our bank account before we're going to release our USDT to the person. You must first of all confirm that you've actually received your money in your bank account before you go ahead to release your USDT to the buyer. So guys, make sure you take note of this. Once the buyer have successfully deposited the money into our bank account, they will then find a blue button which is written confirm payment. Once you see that blue button, it is indicative that the person has actually deposited the money into our bank account. So what you have to do from there is to tap on it to confirm the payment, and make sure you confirm that the money has dropped in your bank account. Make sure you check your mobile banking app to be sure that the money has dropped before you go ahead to tap on the blue button which is written confirm payment. By tapping on confirm payment, that means you're giving Telegram wallets the go ahead to release your USDT or your cryptocurrency to the buyer. So guys, that's what it means. So guys, let's go ahead now to wait for a few seconds for the buyer to make the payment into our bank account. Wow guys, can I see the confirm payment button is now showing down there. This to show that most likely the buyer has actually made the payment into our bank account. And also guys, can see what's written there at the top, buyer confirm the payment. You can see it right there. And also let me get to read what's written down there. You can see it said please check if you have received the payment. I can see what's written there, confirm the payment within 9 minutes 36 seconds. So guys can see the time, you can see the countdown time is reading. Make sure you confirm the payment within this time, with this countdown time. So guys, let me go ahead now to confirm it. Let me go over to my mobile banking app to see if actually the money has dropped in my account, or you can check out for credit alert from your bank. Just check out to be sure that the money has dropped before you go ahead to tap on confirm payment. So guys, now let me go over, let me scroll down from the top of my phone now. So guys, now you can see the credit alert right there. You can see they have received it. Let me get to see the amount. You can see the amount is exactly the amount that I actually sold the USDT for. So guys, now this to confirm that the buyer has actually made the payment. So guys, what I'll do right now is to go and tap on confirm payment. So let me go ahead now to tap on confirm payment down there. So let me tap on it real quick. So guys, here what you have to do now is to tap on confirm. You can see what's written there. Let me get to read it. Do you confirm that you have received 6,544 naira and want to send 4.3 USDT to the buyer? So guys, now you can see you have to confirm that you've received it before you go ahead to release your cryptocurrency to the buyer. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on confirm. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now here I'm required to input my wallet password. This is to confirm that I'm actually the authentic owner of this Telegram wallet. So let me go ahead now to input it. It's a 4-digit passcode. Wow guys, can see what's written here. Payment confirmed. 4.350842 USDT will be withdrawn from your wallet soon. So guys, what I have to do now is just to wait for a few seconds for this USDT to be sent to the buyer immediately. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see what's written there. You have sold 4.350842 USDT. Order successfully completed. So guys, now this is how you can be able to sell your cryptocurrency and get your money into your bank account using the P2P market on Telegram. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to sell any kind of cryptocurrency on your Telegram wallet using the P2P trading platform. So guys, I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload in videos tutorials like this. Bye.